And we talked about different things that are important for jams. You do want to pay attention to music and music's phrasing. So we worked with ABA structure and we worked on breaks. I am going to show those breaks because people asked me to put them on the recap. First break, 8, 1. Second break, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And a good old lock turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the breaks we used, but you can use whatever breaks you want. Also, breaks aren't like mandatory to end every phrase with a break, but they're just nice. They like a little punctuation. Then we worked on getting inspired from other people dancing. This is very important. You don't want to just like wait for your turn to jump into your spotlight. You want to be paying attention and support people in the circle. So we worked with that. You should have been there, and it was great. And bye.